Viking ship found by radar at 30 feet underground in Norway. Archaeologists say a long-lost Viking burial ship found 30 feet underground could be the grave of a high-status individual. Archaeologists say the discovery was made as a part of archaeological work at the site that may be a part of route to the proposed E39 highway near Esletta in western Norway. The team used ground-penetrating radar to make the discovery, with work led by the Norwegian Institute of Cultural Heritage Research, NICU, based in Oslo. Nothing is known about the people buried in the boats, but because these types of burials are reserved for most important people in society, they may have high priority according to a team led by archaeologist Janny Chauswick. Boats were expensive back then, he said, adding whoever was buried there was probably important and they wanted to show it by burying them rich. Usually people with high status are buried by boat. The 30-feet boat, which accommodated 6 people, was found 1500 and 2000 years ago, along with several smaller burial mounds in the active Viking community. While boat burials are well-known phenomenon in Viking history, most contain vessels smaller than those discovered by Mr. Chauswick, according to Niku. The newly found boat is nearly 30 feet long and has room for 6 people, big enough to bury more than one person. This is very exciting, said Mr. Chauswick. Not only to find such a discoveries, but to see how to use the georadar allow us to research and document cultural history through new and exciting methods. It is well known that Esletta and the surrounding municipality of Vinesdal were already known to be burial grounds, but this is the first time a boat grave has been found there. The grave has not been excavated and what treasures remain within it remains unknown. It's still not clear what will happen to the ship, Chauswick said. If the road structure passes, it will be excavated, but if they choose a different route, the cemetery will probably be left as it is. Both graves are associated with the late Iron Age, which ended in 800 AD in Scandinavia, as well as with the subsequent Viking Age from 793 to 1066 AD. Niku says these massive boats are among the richest Viking graves and are preserved for most elite of communities. Boat burials are a special burial custom in many coastal villages in Norway and abroad. Nils Ole Sander, a project manager at local government, said, "It is a great thing that this project has succeeded in creating knowledge that we thought was missing. That means we can better understand and tell stories about society and use of Esletta during the Iron Age." Project manager Manuel Gabler has been researching the development of methods in georadar surveys and is very pleased that this project is yielding results. "We have years of experience with large-scale archaeological geophysics in different parts of Norway," he said, adding that this is the first time we have used this method systematically in context of archaeology in New Ways project. "That's why I really enjoy not only testing and demonstrating how this method could be used in practice in the registration process, but also contributing to such exciting discoveries," he added. Thanks.